That's it. You shouldn't be receiving any email notifications from. Hello guys and welcome to AF Plus More. In this video I'll be showing you how you can stop receiving Facebook notifications on your email on both PC and mobile. So it's gonna be easy, so stick with me here. I am currently now on my mobile device, and what I need to do first is head over to my Facebook app, of course. And now that once we're here, what you need to do next is to click on the top right corner over here, then where it will send you to your profile. Afterwards, you scroll down and you'll find settings and privacy. Afterwards, you click settings. Once you get to settings, you will need to have to go to something called notifications, of course. Click on notifications, and then you'll find, if you scroll down, you'll find email. Click on email, and then you'll see here the email that your notifications will be frequently sent to by Facebook. So we don't want that. We don't want to receive any notifications on our email, whether it be on your Facebook, on your mobile, or on your PC. So what you just need to do is just click on email frequency here, and then you can choose whether you want to lower the frequency at which you receive notifications about your Facebook account, or you could literally not receive anything at all. Alright, let's say you just want the required or more important ones to arrive on your email, because security is still important, so you can't really turn off the notification for that, at least for me. But let's say you want to edit it, switch something on or off. You could just switch off everything if you don't want to receive anything at all. Just switch off, 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 and that's it. You shouldn't be receiving any email notifications from Facebook. Now let me show you how you can do it on your PC. I am now here on Facebook desktop, and it will still work the same way. You just need to head here on the top right corner where you see your account, click on it, and then head over to settings and privacy. Similarly, head over to settings, and then scroll down here on the left side of your screen until you find your notifications here in your preferences. And then you just scroll down again until you find email. Here you will see what we set on our mobile device, and as you can see, it's already been turned off, except for some parts that weren't shown to us on our mobile device, which doesn't make sense because we actually turned off Marketplace on our phone. Well, we can switch that off here, and we can also switch this off here. That's it. That is how you can turn off not email notifications on both your PC and on your phone. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.